Art takes time and patience. When you start a new drawing or painting, it's going to look rough and messy at first. That's just part of the process, so don't worry. Keep working on it, fixing things, and adding details until you get to where you want it to be. Here's a look at the final pencil sketch next to its inked version. You can see the two images are different because I made more changes during the inking process. Let me show you. I replaced the bow. I changed the direction of the shoe. I improved the hat and hair. I corrected the bottom of the dress. I added details to the gate. Finally, I added simple colors, as I always say, simple is better. The most important thing I want you to take away from this short video is to have fun. If drawing becomes a burden, it's time to take a break. I like to believe that passion is the true fuel of great art. So I really hope that you are passionate about your craft today, as you were when you started. Happy summer to all of you, and create some great art. Au revoir et à bientôt.